Hey guys, this is Robert with the Car Armor. So today we're trying the application on the side of a car because that was one of the big questions, is just getting some pelting with some rocks. So this is going to be our rocks that we're going to be using, and kind of a good different variation. Basically we're looking here, maybe a few scratches, but overall no dents. And this is what the kind of the idea we're trying to get is just to test it out. Let's see how this car cover does once we put it down and see about the suction cups, test the material out, see how well it does. And let me get out of the way. Give it a beating. Hold on. Let's get one more. All right.
The suction cup's holding good. Dang, that did good. My God, those are big rocks too.
So no dents there. Looks good.